back to Little Maple English. I'm your teacher, Joanne. So today, we're going to learn about what pronoun is. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun or noun phrase to prevent repetition. Words like he, she, it, they, we, you, and I refer to people, things, or ideas that are already known from the context. Guys, remember, pronouns are a very, very important part of English language. So, why do we use pronoun? Pronouns work like nouns in sentences, often acting as subjects or objects, and they help make sentences clearer and more natural. For example, changing Jimmy goes to the library because Jimmy likes to read. Does not really sound natural. Instead, Jimmy goes to the library because he likes to read. Makes it sound more natural. So there are different types of pronouns. Personal pronouns, which we use all the time. Possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and demonstrative pronouns. We're going to go through these types of pronouns throughout the lesson. So what is personal pronouns? So personal pronouns replaces people or things, like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Possessive pronouns show who owns something, like my, your, his, her, our, their. Reflexive pronouns used when the subject and object are the same, or when you're emphasizing something in your sentence. We'll get into more detail later in the lesson. Myself, yourself, himself, herself is the examples of reflexive pronouns. And lastly, demonstrative pronouns point to things like this, that, these, or those. There are actually more types of pronouns, like relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, or indefinite pronouns. So relative pronouns give more information about a noun. So the examples of relative pronouns are who, which, and that. Interrogative pronouns ask questions, like who, what, which. And indefinite pronouns talk about people or things in general. So like someone, everyone, something, nothing. So let's take a look at the example sentences. She is my best friend. So in this sentence, she must be replacing a noun. James borrowed my book. Judy hurt herself. That sounds great. The students who are running are fast. Who is the boss? Everyone is here. So these are the different types of pronouns that we use in English sentences. All right, that's it for today. We'll get into more detail about pronouns later in the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next class. Bye-bye.